I'm Faisal, and in this video, I'll show you how to add page numbers in Adobe InDesign, the right way to number your pages. This method works perfectly for books, magazines, brochures, flyers, basically any multi-page project. Working with multiple pages? This will help. You might also need this for digital files, like adding page numbers to PDFs. So let's dive in and see how to do it correctly in Adobe InDesign. First, I'll create a new document here. Of course, it depends on how many pages you have, whether it's facing pages or single pages. We'll choose facing pages so we can see together how to do it. That means 2 pages side by side. Alright, now here you set the number of pages. Let's say I want it to be 200 pages, and then I click Create. Okay, so at the beginning here, since our book is in Arabic, it opens from right to left. If it were in English, you'd find the first page on the right and the second page on the left. Alright, we chose the option to open in Arabic, so I'll click OK here. Then I go to the master at the top. Okay. Now, of course, here you have the pages. We're working on the pages in Adobe InDesign. To add page numbers, you need to go to the master at the top, which is the master page. Anything you put on the master will appear on every page. Alright, let's see together how to do it. I'll go to the text tool here. I choose the English language option, for example. I open a box so that the number in English appears inside a box or a rectangle. I place it like this in the corner here. The page number is usually on the side. Of course, you can put the number anywhere on the page and it will show up on all the pages. So if you put it in the center, you'll find it appears in the center of every page in the book, or at the top, or at the bottom. But usually the page number is always at the bottom. I've opened this box, or we've created a box. I go again to the text tool, click on it, and here's where all the magic happens with the shortcut I'm about to use now, the shortcut I'm going to do right now. What do you press? You press Command plus Alt plus Shift plus N, or on PC devices, Control plus Alt plus Shift plus N, and you'll see it gives you a number. Notice here it gave you a number, and you can treat it just like regular text. So now it's inside a text box, so I go to the paragraph section here. On type, paragraph, I center it so the text is now in the middle. Now I'll make it bigger. Alright. Of course, with the usual character properties, you can change the font type. Just like this. And you can increase or decrease its size. You can set it to Arabic or English. Here, we want to choose English. Alright. Now it's on the first page. It's on the first page, which is the odd-numbered page. Page number 1. So when you come here to the numbers, you'll find that it's only on the odd-numbered pages, and it's not on the even-numbered pages. What do I do to make it appear on both odd and even pages and get numbered? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I just copy it. Copy it like this with Alt, then drag and drop it onto the second page on the master above. So now I have it here on the master. Now I have both the odd and even pages numbered, so I go and check the page numbers. I find 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's it. 5. That's it. 6, 10, all the way to the last page in our book, which, for example, I have 200 pages. And if, for instance, the book is single pages or you're working on InDesign with single pages, that means we remove the facing pages. You'll find it does it automatically. Here you have single pages, and the numbering starts from 1 up to 200. And of course, this method also applies, just like I mentioned at the beginning of the video, on the tickets. to magazines, to books, to PDF files, to anything where you need to add numbering or put a page number in Adobe InDesign. That was our explanation for how to number pages. If you have any questions you'd like to ask, write it for me in the comments below, and God willing, I will reply to you. Thank you,